Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ma'am. We are from Rockefeller 6C group going to present our English material for midterm. First, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Marcelina, NIM 90, and my friends Ropi Mardian, NIM 87, and Vicha Vitaloka, NIM 89. So first, let's start with first material. On the first material, we talk about graph, chart, and table. Graph is a representation of data such as numbers or values in the form of image such as lines and colors with the aim that the data is easy to understand. There are many types of graphs such as line graphs, bar charts, pie charts, scatter plots, and histograms. Each of these kind of graph has their own purpose. Let's check it out on our next discussion. Next. So this is the example of line graph. The graph depicts the data of mechanical engineering student at Batam State Polytechnic in 2015 until 2021. In this graph, we see that the data from 2015 until 2021 has increased and decreased. The decline occurred in 2015, namely 288 students to 264. 2016, namely 347 students to 279 students. On 2019, namely 451 to 435 students, and 2020, namely 465 to 437 students. Apart from that year, everything experienced an increase. From the graph, we can conclude that we can see student data for 13 semesters. In this example of bar chart, next, this is the example of bar chart. On the bar chart that we can see above, that there were 13 semesters corresponding to each other in the document, in the number of each student, with the major of electronic engineering at Polytechnic Negeri Batam from 2015 until 2021. Based on the facts set out by the table report, we can see it shows that the number of colleges in electronic engineering each semester is constantly increasing and decreasing, or we might stay unstable. However, we might conclude that there is an increase in the number of colleges each year. For the fact sample in odd semester of 2019, it has 317 colleges, and the next year has 365 colleges. Next. This is the example of pie chart. The chart gives information about Polytechnic Negeri Batam staff presentation data. It is clearly seen that lecture get the largest fraction of Polytechnic Negeri Batam staff, while library staff and character and career development is the smallest. The second larger Poly Batam staff is laboran, shown on the chart that 1/5 of Polytechnic Negeri Batam staff is laboran. Next, followed by maintenance and repair staff and general subsections with 4% each of the total Polytechnic Negeri Batam staff. Next. This is the example of tabular data, or we usually call table. This table compare odd and even semester electronic engineering student of Polytechnic Negeri Batam from 2015 until 2021. Based on the table, it shows the number of electronic engineering students each semester continues to rise and fall. In odd semester 2015, the total of electronic engineering students is are 284, and in odd semester 2021, total electronic engineering students are 436. The number has increased by 2 times in the last 7 years, 2015 until 2021. We can expect that this number will continue to increase every year. Next. Next, we move to the next material. The second material is talk about multiple chart, process, and maps. Multiple chart is a chart that represents two or more data by bars or line. Next. This is the example of multiple chart. The bar chart illustrates the amount of mechanical engineering and electrical engineering students from 2015 to 2021. Overall, the student of mechanical engineering major is always more than the electrical engineering in every semester. The number of students majoring in mechanical engineering is increasing every semester, even though there are several semesters that have decreased. Meanwhile, students majoring in electrical engineering show rapid changes every semester. The lowest number of mechanical engineering students was in the event semester of 2015, which amount to 264 people, and the highest number is on 2021 among 520 people. However, in the odd semester 2016, mechanical engineering students increased by 83 people and then experienced a fairly drastic decline in the even semester of 2016 to 279 people. After that, in the odd semester of 2017, students majoring in mechanical engineering increased rapidly by 114 people. Furthermore, starting from the even semester of 2017 until odd semester of 2021, the number of mechanical engineering students has constantly been above 390 people. Furthermore, the lowest number of electrical engineering students was in the even semester of 2016, which amount to 259 students. From odd semester of 2015 until even semester of 2019, the amount of students is remained stable with no more 320 people every semester. But in odd semester in 2020, the student is growth 58 people up to 365 people. After that, in even semester of 2020, the amount of students is back down to 365 people. Meanwhile, on the odd semester 2021, the student is growing rapidly until 436 people, where this is the highest number of electrical engineering students from odd semester 2015 to odd semester 2021. Next. Okay, next, this is the example of process. Process is kind of steps that describe what should you do to achieve something. The diagram illustrates step by step to take online KRS or FRS in Polytechnic Negeri Batam. Overall, there are 6 steps that students can follow to take online KRS or FRS every semester. The student only need electronic device such as laptop or smartphone well connected to the internet. KRS at the Polytechnic Negeri Batam has a package system per semester, so it can make easier for students to take their course. Detailed procedure is discussed in the next discussion. Initially, to begin the process, the student must log in to https://simp.polybatam.ac.id with their own username, or also we call name and password. Then click academic menu on the top of the top left the screen. Then click FRS and KRS online. After that, choose the academic year and semester correctly, which will be running or ongoing. Example, academic year 2019 or 2020 and semester even. Next, take course according to the package in the upcoming semester. Special for repeat course, only those who previously got E and D grades. Otherwise, the system will reject as long as it has not been approved by the lecturer. The student guardian can cancel the KRS taken if it feels wrong or wrong by clicking the trash icon on the far left column. If it is finished, wait for the status of the KRS application to be approved by the guardian lecturer. The process is complete and student can take part in lecture activities. Next. This slide I'm going to explain about maps or how to give direction. This is the example of maps. The maps show us about Polytechnic Negeri Batam exam location plan 2018, exam location 3 called Teaching Factory, and exam location 1 called Tower A. If you want to go to exam location 1 from exam location 3, you must out from the area by following the street until you meet from the T junction and turn right until you find a motorbike parked on the right side of the road. Keep going straight until you find another fork after parking the car. After that, please turn left and you have entered the exam location area 1. Okay, next material will be explained by my friend Vicha.
Third, about translation tools. Next. WPML. WPML is an additional feature for WordPress. Simply, WPML make it easier for WordPress users to translate or run multilingual. WPML lets others to write contents with different language. To use WPML, the users don't need technical or programming skill. Next. The strength of WPML. WPML is a resilient multi-language plugin with simplified control and configuration. With more than 40,000 active installations, there is no doubt about it. WPML is one of the most popular multi-language WordPress plugin in the WordPress market. Next. The weakness of WPML. Besides of the strengths that WPML has, there are some weaknesses too. Based on our research, some users get constrained while using the application. They said that too difficult to operate WPML because so many add-on and options. The installation is a bit complicated too. Also, if you want to use WPML, you must pay that quite expensive. Next. The 4 about Indonesians' common mistake in translating into English. Next. First, slang, very informal language that is usually spoken rather than written, used especially by particular group of people. Sarcasm, a mode of satirical wit depending for its effect on bitter, caustic, and often ironic language that is usually directly against an individual. Next, idioms, an expression in the usage of a language that is peculiar to itself, either in having a meaning that cannot be derived from the conjoining meanings of its element. Next, compound word, when two words are used together to yield a new meaning, a compound is formed. Word order typically revert to the way the word in a sentence are arranged. Next, numerical text, an arithmetical value expressed by a word, symbol, or figure represent a particular quantity and is used in accounting and making calculation. Next. Punctuation, special symbol that you add to writing to separate phrases and sentence to show that something is a question. An age. Next, structural. Structural is the way words are arranged. Next, language intents to express the intent or meaning. Actually use synonym, however, not all synonym can be used for the same things. Next, grammatical error. Grammatical error is a term used in prescriptive grammar to describe an intent of faulty, unconventional, or controversial usage, such as misplaced modifier and inappropriate verb tense. Next, style or tone. style, voice, and tone in a writing express the attitude of a writer at that moment and in a relation to a particular subject and audience. Next, specific word. Gender neutral language or gender inclusive language is language that avoids bias towards a particular sex or social gender in English. Next. 5. About proofreading. What is proofreading? Before submitting a draft or our assignment to interest parties, it is a good idea to reread and correct our work. This is done to minimize technical error that we accidentally do, such as typos or other writing error. The correcting activity is known as proofreading. Next. Why we need to do it? So this proofreading can help us in correcting a work that is checked to a high standard. Without proofreading, the possibility of errors still occur, but less if we use proofreading.
The next important terms in proofreading. The first, understanding spelling and grammar. Second, meticulously sorting verbatim. The third has the ability to put correct punctuation on writing fingertips. Next, they're able to edit sentences as systematic and logical as they are read. And the last is full of diction. Step in proofreading activity. The first, set is aside. Second, print it out research. The third, mark up your changes. The fourth, read out loud. 5, double check detail. 6, makes correction. And the 7, final checks. The 6, about scientific report and business report. Business report. Business report is a report that provides data about historical information, operation, production, specific department related to a company that helps the reader to know about the company. Scientific report. Scientific report is the report that contains about scientific findings that obtained after conducting research on a particular object. The purpose of this report is to tell the reader about why the scientific findings are meaningful. Difference. The difference in scientific and research report can be seen in various aspects of their understanding, in terms of their purpose and themselves. For a business report itself is a report of a neutral, impartial, clear objective, and of a plan of presentation of fact to one or more for a particular business purpose. The 7, about brochure and poster. Brochure. According to the Big Indonesian Dictionary or KBBI, brochure are information media written on an issue, systematically arranged or print only consisting of a few pages and closed without binding the leaflet or print with brief information. This is example of brochure. Poster. A poster is a temporary promotion of an idea, product, or event, put up in a public space for mass consumption, and a poster is large notice or picture that you click on a wall or board, often in order to advertise something. This is an example of poster. Similarities. The first is design. Both brochures and poster must have an attractive appearance to catch more audience. Second is purpose. Brochure and poster is to promote any event, service, or product. Difference. The first is size and design. Poster size is usually bigger than brochure, but brochure design is more attractive and appealing than poster. Poster designed to attach to wall or board public place. The second is price. Brochure is print with high cost because it usually print on glossy paper and full color than poster cost. Poster cost is required from its design and paper quality. The third is papers. Because a brochure is dedicated to target marketing, brochures usually print on glossy paper and full color to get the interest from customer. Poster usually print on glossy paper or any hard paper so that can stay survive in various weather. Okay, that's all of us. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.